you doing? I'm also fine. Where are you? I'm at the hospital. I thought you told me you come very early because you said you won't be going to church today. Alright, come and pick me up at 4. I'll wait for you. Don't disappoint me. Okay, thank you. You let me call you back, okay? I think I have something to fix. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. What's your problem?
Look at your life. So have you not had enough?
Enough of what?
Enough of all this relationship drama. My J left you. We even thought that you would learn some sense that my J has left me after all the abuse he's been giving to me. Now I should focus on my education, focus on success, focus on a good life. Instead, you are here calling other people, another boy, that I am the hostel.
See who is here giving me advice? Coming from somebody who impregnated somebody in school.
That's not your problem.
That's so much your business.
No.
And stop interfering in people's business.
I'm not interfering. I'm just giving you good advice. You should take the advice. It will help you, Seer. It would help you a lot. Seer.
When are you going to start minding your business? It's not your problem. My life is not your life. You're not the one paying my school fees. Alright? You have a kid and a mother to take care of. Alright? So focus on her. Put all your attentions on her, not me. Okay? I'm not your problem to solve.
Like I said, you shouldn't even bring that up. Because it's not your business. Just learn that in this life, you don't need a man to be successful. And then try and live your own life. The moment you got to this school, you started these things. We thought, it would just be some interesting school dating. From one guy to another. From this to another. Hey! Zlatan. Jumping from one club to another. Are you okay with that?
Done. Are you done?
See, this is not about me being done or me continuing.
No, I don't
You
understand.
should
What's
take
your
the
problem?
advice.
What's your problem?
Take the advice. It will
Advice from
help
you.
It would help you.
Taking advice from you. If you know you're done, you can just walk away, right?
See,
Today is Sunday. Let today be the first and last time you are talking about me. Alright?
for making threats, you can't make any threats at me.
So what are you going to do? Beat me.
Me,
You
I'm
want
not
to
my
beat me? I'm
G.
here, beat me.
You have already gotten enough. You have already gotten enough for my G. I'm not here to continue.
So mind your business and leave me
I've
alone.
been abused
I
constantly.
want to
You
be
won't
alone.
learn
I want to
sense.
think.
Shaman putting or
Say that guy is very dramatic sometimes. But me, I think he has no hands in that. Seriously.
That's what you are thinking. But well, so as far as we think he has no hands in it, who else do you think can help us?
I think my J.
You think my J? You think this
Hey,
bad
brother, I think
miss?
my J has something to do about this. Because you told me he was the one who came to report you.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, so I think he has something to do about her sister's missing.
Me, actually, I'm not thinking along that line because for somebody to do that to their sister, I think
Are you sure about that?
because Mac J
That
is.
guy is a pretender. Say he can pretend. He can pretend so much.
Hmm.
He can pretend so much.
Okay.
Maybe you don't want us to know that maybe he was the one who sacked her sister. So
No, with the sacking of the sister, I know about it. I can remember I was told he came to sack the sister, all right. But for the sister to go missing, for us to be pointing accusing fingers at Mac J, I think is something else. Because
do you think it's Aroma?
I'm not saying I think it's Aroma. As
So I'm
I
telling you the
can.
truth. Me, I trust my instinct. I'm telling you the truth. It's my J. You trust me on this. It's my J. You find out one day that he's the one.
Well, I understand you, but you don't worry. I'll invite him. I'll invite him and talk to him extensively to see if he has something to do with it. But I'm praying that something bad shouldn't happen to that girl. Because should that thing happen to her or something bad happen to her, it's going to affect the image of the school.
Very true.
Her parents are going to go through a whole lot, and
Including him himself.
well, should he go into that? I think he called for that, but I'm just praying that things go on well. I'll invite him. I will.
Okay.
Because I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know what to do again.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Yeah, me bro so
It is said that the 40 clock at the refuse dump tells the correct times twice a day. You may say, "Oh, I drink the energy." Sometimes, we do understand you. Maybe say, have you heard anything with regards to the missing of your sister? Can't you speak English just for once?
I haven't heard it from him. It's so sad and progressive.
Hey, my dear, just stop that nonsense. You see, I've placed some calls. I have tried as much as I could to see whether I'll be able to find out where she is. Unfortunately, I did not get any good response. So I thought it wise to call on you and see if probably you've heard from some of her friends or your family members that she's.
Sir, my friend will be out. My friend will be out. My friend be out. My tenant can be out. So on my so, say, me no, I must see her. I'm imagine you know better so. And see, and they want me to miss them call reporting.
Oh no.
Yes, I want to go and report.
My J, if we are not doing anything about it, then fine. You have every right to go and report. But I've asked you severally, maintain your calm. You are looking for her. Definitely
Sir,
you are going to find her.
if we are looking for her, we haven't saw her. We are still here.
My dear.
No.
We haven't resolved this issue. And the headmaster is doing his part. I'm also doing my part. So why do you have to be in a hurry of?
Say, we are buying another.
Anyway, my J, are you suspecting someone? A foul play somewhere?
Oh yes. I suspect someone.
Who? I don't say who? Whom are you suspecting?
Say Aroma.
Aroma.
Yes.
Aroma.
Because I suspecting Aroma. That boy. Say on anytime be am so oni million nam. Oni million ne ko be bia.
Oh. So she's a good friend to Aroma.
Yes.
So if she's a good friend, why
And a bad friend as well.
No.
Oh no.
Iddi.
You said she goes to every place with Aroma, isn't it?
Say me Aroma na me so oni million akwa ko shebe. Odi million akwa ko shebe. Aroma say.
No.
Say Aroma. Ono
Don't be pessimistic.
Okay, sir.
If he's saying Aroma is a good friend.
and a bad friend.
Oh, come on. Let's get Aroma. We shall get to the bottom of it.
Okay, sir.
Don't draw hasty conclusion. Let's get to Aroma. But I'm not telling you to go and confront Aroma.
That's very important.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? You're going to handle that.
I said, check the American report you.
Oh, come on.
Minion say, I chill.
So can't you hear to advise?
It's far.
It's Friday. It's far.
I check.
Sir Black.
Sir.
Go and call Aroma. Tell him to meet me at the office.
Okay, I will.
Go to the store.
What is he now with him? Do you want Kasasa? Did you Kasasa?
I can't be half an hour of it, ma. I can't be half an hour of for someone. We will to make cabro for Benyawi. Or we start to make bube, brofobe, and the polluter and the spiritor of this ending in our bois.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me bro.
Adam. It's a waste of her saying that my dream is fine.
Oh, Seer, like.
You see, dear.
Oh, share me. Also, at least you have to give me that respect, sir. Also, me no need some that vibe of school more. Until whom me cross, sir. Oh, share me now. Afraid they will what's that flow.
You want me to greet you and respect you? I asked you a simple question. When name seminar my JJ,
To the American, no, it doesn't make sense to you, right?
I approached you. Name am first.
Now, okay, some first, then also yeah.
When name seminar my JJ.
Now, minima, so and no, then a bear, I'm like.
When name answer bia so be catch and say, see a man in the gyno and you good. Now, if not today, I didn't know say you are only answer crowd out you. You are senseless.
Seer,
I'm being honest with you.
from the insults.
Let's say I can't be my journey medai. Or support it.
Now, nigga, no, or say, won't mean into beam. No one, I'll call no
I wasn't pranking him, so you as a friend who can answer
my J. Unos and your pranking. Ako catching on to minutes, no, so or no swats and one say that be no crown codanchen. I don't mean I would matem.
So then I down for. Rebecca be trying to say, oh my girls did me patrol. No, you are here telling me say me to do what I'm not. Meanwhile, I'm telling you facts. Unim answer.
Facts in a Facts in Iddi at them.
Fact in the attempt. Unim answer na make sure. No, do I have to like quote it or something?
Yes, yeah.
I didn't question no.
Sisiana.
I didn't question no.
Sisiana must work flat to me flat crown.
Fiako. O question me wana. See ya. I didn't know there no.
Maybe Sisiana me flat ban must work down.
Jai de okika no. Umi na nya mi show. Uja ono say. Come on for there. Uja ono what? Jai no. See ya. Can you should draw so?
Go wana.
Fiako. Can you move? But don't go hospital. Fiako. See.
Headmaster, akwani ayihu. Ani. Na otimi bo bi be dwase ma otimi kokoma. Adey. Say akwani na da ho say mi hu de so obewu o sese yi o.
I also found no casempa.
It would
Say the akwani si da ho de men kan say. What bo bi ma ne da ho no tedwa say wo hu de onya no akwani da ho de na bisi.
Asema ba ya MK de bia meka cho asemba tobo wo ka asema tobo wo ha woni ka asem too much aten enti susu ampa say wu ye mba na kasa ampa we na bobo ama no e na akora ni wu e na akora aten
me ko
wano I have a casemba One no I have a car sempa. Nipa ntina se nkasa saa. Especially we penny. Yen kasa saa.
Na me penyi mi twitwe.
MK.
Who's that to phone?
They be na say must like say me.
Maybe who's that to phone? When I'm football age grab 70 years.
Eh na say me SM power sum.
Be pamasum. Be pamasum.
MK.
Yeah, can't some now
you rational. The way in the boss me there for 10 MK dey wa him say MK dey that
dey no nano one nipa baako yen kan sam nkyere na so nano beka it say be bia ni hon ma MK wo be huna na obeti a wo kwa bonten ko ka den sasem ye frɛ ye no wo ka yes wo boy amane na emom yen ka say kwa bonten ma ne na wano na ko ka kira manfo yen ka say asem ba na me ka tem say mom hwɛ ne yen solve problem no inward yen nye bibia e wo udin ne enye me mintire o
ene
ene mini umienu ene mini umienu because school no say koyi ya yenya na ebedidi sa wo wo ma no bo so atoje wa ye ka sama na udin samfo okonfo ne ka so bokoma makura bo na onu so tim
se wuni ma kwa say what are you going to do
no kwa ni say bo ano so me mpese metu so obi ayi me minim kwa amafa so me invite abofra no Adams me invite no wofa me no mo bekasa ama edi yi ato yi ne mpese ohunu no menkasa mane na wano no ko kana bafo abonte na manfo mete
inti invite no fa na akora no ho ato na
ye but na de akora no woda me dem wona hospital woda me dem
dey
enyo hospital enya hwe na ebe hwe no so ye ka bi ona o kasa anyhow you talk about that lady
ni ti say akora na busuafo nso ye nya dey me mfro mo mama ne ana say
enyo no so bo mama ye
the
authorities are
meba so ohun wo na be from abo mama ne akora na busuafo na obobo mama ana me na so mbo mama ne wo da sama betum anim masemate me pani minim kwa mapaso amasolve no na ede na wo na akobo mama ne wanu ntimi fa padlock nto wanu
MK
wo da ko wahwe ne wanu e betwa asama ma wo wanu yi e betwa asama ma wo MK
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pesa me come any months I draw meya
I pulled you here to talk to you Joseph in connection with that girl's incident.
Yeah, the one I took to the hospital.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
I want you to hold that information. Don't tell anyone.
Sure, sir.
I don't want this information to go out. Please.
Sure, sir. I've heard you. But the truth is that when the incident happened, there were a lot of people over there.
Okay.
So I don't want the case where you will hear it from another person and you will think it's from me.
Oh.
Because I'm not telling anybody.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
But when the whole thing happened,
Yes, sir.
others were there, right?
Yeah, there were a
Your
lot of
mates?
people. Yeah, my mates.
Your mates?
Yes.
Yeah,
they were there.
Okay, I'm
So
sure.
I don't know. And this school too, I've seen something that anything that happens, they talk about it.
Yeah, definitely they are human. They will talk about it, but for it to go out is what I'm trying to prevent.
Sure, sir.
So I don't want you to talk to an outsider about this issue. And besides, don't make it a topic.
I will not.
Okay, so that
Most definitely.
naturally it will die off. People wouldn't know what is happening. So
I agree to it.
I know at times you see some will like to push you to say certain things, but please, whenever they raise that issue, try to discard it.
Thank you, sir.
I think it's the best way to go because this thing. I'm working things out though, so actually, it's the reason for me calling to tell you.
Sure, sir.
I know you're a good boy. I know.
Yes, sir.
You're not going to.
So how's my academics too?
Oh, you're managing, huh? You're doing well, but there's more room for improvement.
Thank you, sir.
I know you're good, but that shouldn't eat into your head.
Sure. But the other time you were like, you didn't see the results that you expected from me.
Oh yes, the expectation was high, and then you did not meet the expectation. So I talked to you about you are working on it.
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah
Yeah. So what happened? What happened when you went to the
You're
hospital?
asking me what happened after all that you did. I've sent her to the hospital. What are you doing? I didn't know, Joshua.
So what happened at the
I
hospital?
didn't know.
What happened at the hospital?
Yeah, so the school nurse came around to ask about what happened.
Who?
The school nurse.
Which of the school nurses?
We have only one school nurse. The leader of them, the head of them, he came around So I had to explain everything to him.
Baba.
Yes, Baba.
So what happened? So what did you like? What happened?
I told him whatever.
Hey!
Why?
You did what?
I told him everything.
Hey!
I know you. What's up?
You told Baba everything.
If I had strength, I would have even beaten you. What you did, I saw everything. I will even tell him to tell the headmaster, so that they will take you off the school. What you people do, you come to the school and you be treating people like anyhow. Don't you know that she is somebody's daughter?
How do you see me on this campus? Am I a violence nigga?
You are not, but from what I saw, it means you can do something bad, especially to the girls. Many babies are one and now school, man. You do yourself like one person once and but
just calm down. It's a long story, but
I should come down. Say what bomb you say I should come down. Watch Johnny,
Baba,
because he would definitely tell the headmaster, and the headmaster is gonna make sure that you are dismissed. That is what I'm seeking. You will see. You face consequences.
Not even about me leaving this school.
What's it about?
The legal issues that I'll be facing for.
You don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You know what you did. You saw that it was wrong, and you went ahead to do it. Now say Jina ono. The aim one one crown on. Uni say girl no.
Do you know what she did? Uni do
ye. Oya wu nyina no crown pon do ye. Hu nya say obemia no. I don't know yes sir.
Nipa bisa update. I'm just asking you about the update. How be Jina can add.
Untimi fa wo Jina. Mo che me ni ntina ye na mo boli e wo class. Woni o mai je no.
Hey. We am you obi o.
Obeye me bi.
Am you obi.
Oh. Eni o.
Mo ikitebu o.
Anyway, na o che ne character no. What did they?
The ikitebu on the phone.
Na report o.
Now we na airport. Me now 5 minutes now go.
Do you know my mommy? Anki ebe si wo. The waka the cranty. Me catch headmaster. Meka, wo de wo hu.
Minimum so beka.
Me ko into wo there. You will see.
Now kwa we obi kwa one time in Nam camp. Eh then as I dey now be peden one.
Sana na me na jumo. I told that only so we baby. Nobody will see. Yeah, so. Big kid boy.
And so bra kid on tesa.
Na say anything na me ya no. Ade na obesa.
You bra kid on tesa mo sepa but nko so funny suban ni bi kid in tesa.
You want me from follow me o. They say we be share that ka say me bra kid. Me bra mbe she wom. My brother has got nothing to do with this. Want me nka na o de adada me o.
Don't me say school no. Me no. Don't say me no like. O share skin no cry. Don't say we are like brothers. I'm for class yes.
The color no dey bend but
try and cover me. Like,
check. So make cover wa. I just woo me ye. Want me for one non say I should cover you just like that. Check.
That comes from better school more. You are the only witness. Into no baby near. At least you should be like the way who she. You buy na. Me no cry na me be who so that. Simple. What I say?
Kid is some now come na. I say I come to.
Oh bra. It's in your pants, Mr. Right.
What the matter? Men can't show you. Can't show you.
By next time in Jimmy side Jimmy. Man, we start school next. No next time we may upon like be what you say. But Jimmy side Jimmy.
You be sure.
Okay. Hey. Akwa we pass me on you. Me may fast about it. No nanko wakwa me no. We dey can catch school next. Then Charlie, I'll not be able to come back to this school again. No, I'll say me pay baby na me tete sa school nurse.
Senti wa baby a wa be gina. Ah, wo tete won't me me school no. On baby I will say. Adams, it is what mama kasasa. What mama kasasa Adam. What mama kasasa. Atay. School bako. Etu kustu na be tro me katre maswana. Adams. If the work school, the sense offer eye bia ya na offer bia. I'll do it. I will do it. Akola no e ba ne sai pa na nkobon. E ba ne sai.
For no akra no for mu ade. Omo ba ma onom na odo ne my jazz in between. Ana. Sunu ko pa cho man. Na me kakasa de chene no anu no start Iddi matem ke cancer na me born asun ba ko pa mbo ba ko pe wo no anu se oda ho wo ne nan
Ese no ku gina sa wo mu game na o ye de pada fire nsem ana ba ese no ese ni ahwe mu bi no ese ko ye bi efe no bi na wo koye Senka would dream with education, and our education background of one. And cover to Chadia. And Kauba to Chadia, and Cow Jimmy one. She says, go one and one some number. I don't know who say me, Dean, sir. Why we be do believe me no me no you better tell say one year school mo who intimate me we school mo and now to my phone woody
For the many year from
now when him here for akwaso obi si Jimmy amebo na man Jimmy e with Jimmy amebo man Jimmy when him here for school mo one na ho fe be do asiasem ti Adam say na wo se unze wo ye tuntum can't you see you changing, can't you see Adams, can't you see him? Just see what she. You walk out on Sako Blue School. They say, get a pro. Get a bra. I didn't have a menu.
One question on Uncle.
Hey,
Maybe Uncle headmaster soon because I didn't mean
when you're for rough. When you're for papa. Hey, and you said you're off and coming and Ghana Shaman Sanka, you know.
They say you could to a book
and Kabe had in brutal present for money and him for papa be woman ma a crying yes ma at the dean. Who can him for ma papa no wosika agiti din wo di bre who can ma the dean but what ya for ma zuku kawai mo hajine here for ma mo asem ba ti samo ma mi ko butrank ni yintuma ne koton no mo kuna damu akware abazi na azam tell me sa tell me Adam tell me Adam abazi na aw ehwe no wi asem Adams tell me wo te mi mu Adam tell me Adam tell me Adai why Adai
Fadibo also Timas.
me sure suma mo nwate Adam for be so ya me power sum asu no gina ho no mpai Adai me san ko sum wan ko kan dey
So ko catch headmaster no apacho am no fa nya wa hwan bi mo na be ko akoka.
Is this a hana so wow ana ko che no da bi wunda na o shi no bi na no
Kwa me to was me be.
tuna what you are there doing about him?
To na me suru say police be abechim ba.
You are a fullest. You are a fullest, lessless, laughless, muscless, kissless sisters. Go and find that English and I'm catch your conditional record. Who can one card the can be 2 minimum.
When we need this now one.
Costume one a pouch. Man,
Why mistake?
Saying I mean, I'm sure come at time do you run swinging one won't say yes. What it? What's just some corner artist who want a woody? Are they? Yaome Mawana Adams, tell me.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya.
Headmaster, read your Miss Row. Let's think I'm a bar office. Nancy office, me go inside, I can't go for the walk on consent for. 18 of the frail saying, Chiawa. Headmaster, Miss Cyril. No fasten. No fasten as headmaster. This is a grand winter in school. One in nam the bush of one frame. No for Dangaraji. Dangaraji are frame, sir. What's my make catch Dangaraji? Miss Row, headmaster. The patch of what it would you go for when it to me? Mena meti enu na menye show se bi besi biem. Isa akwa no nam sansa sa. Ontimi nsua de, ontimi nya hwe. Isa akwa no suku kanyina me so na megu. Me pay sai na magisa de atwa school fees. Headmaster.
Mamen ka asam nkyerɛ. Onse akola no ho. E ba item bia na me de mani ato. E na sɛ ma ye de item bia na me de. Ba akola ne wicked o. Yasa ponche wa ne boy hina. Hey, enye na kaminim sɛ Scanty wicked. Utimi chubi ba bunu pa makura ikokoma.
Abra kura anya wo hwe.
Hey, you ask me this sound. Enemy first now. Ne come the headmaster and some beton chain.
Watching
Ne come kwara na big time.
Mr. Kwara.
Hey, Dana Bugachu.
Na Sanko. Somebody
Dana
them back.
Bugachi.
Somebody back and Kurina. Tunda Kazama headmaster. Nikumana Zama Zongo Musumi. Kudu Kagudane. Kayam Kurika ya femini.
Hey, me the make catch on say oh mum paye. Sakura and baby Odano, no beton.
And no yes, Allah.
Hey, Sakura no. Semi Dini, Miss School, Dean Best Side, oh, Nakakura no. Hey, Machina, Naka. Hey, Met dismantle Adams.
Don't ever
Scanty.
Smart Scanty. Miss Row. Headmaster, Miss Row.
It mean a Scanty person did some food to go to school. No. When
When
you brave brass and leave a bedroom, I said, obey the headmaster. When you brave brass or the headmaster.
Miss Row.
With the child, how many years?
Headmaster, Miss Row.
Headmaster didn't chronic on young Medibi.
Headmaster,
Now, what on some food by Guma Juma?
Laugh baby.
By me, they never can say, oh, me did many better crown, Mumpa is Sacran. Akran who Antona. Eh, some man mafia colana, Mamma Chinatu.
It's empire me to me bonina. Empire me nama me bonina say. Akrano ko betono. Ubia ya boka do wa school be sunade. Wo se mako bu bi ba ma me e collapse. What you say me empanyi sem bi wa he?
No, Akula who share sa Akula ya friend guntu kwa. Akula what is saying no to Akula.
Oh, guntu to say. Me dia sam dia no kura dia da wa no aka. Me wo fa se no wa nya de. Wa nya ni ye na nso abasa. Mr. Wate. Headmaster. Fundi to me. Enko yi. Eye me am so na eba.
Me de en na maka no.
Na Scanty
Mo paye. Sakura no beto no. Na school nurse nso na no mono.
Hey.
Enti wono so wate ase wono so Akura no ho no.
Ni din pa no pepra.
Yo.
Pepra moro.
Yo.
Guruma.
Yo.
Wono de asem man na che. Obekwa akoma asem na che.
Yo.
Ne konkonsan ne be ye nyina che ne du rag nim. Guruma. School nurse.
Or prayer say ni training be fu na en.
Me say kan kama kwa enfuda.
Adams, what went on between you and Seer?
What went on like that?
I heard you beat her brutally.
I know you probably will hear it, but it is what it is.
So what happened?
There's no need for you to ask. You know this Seer girl, she doesn't respect.
There's even no need to explain. When I heard, I was so happy. I'm sure everybody in the school is happy.
For you, even if nobody is happy, I know you'll be happy because I know you and Seer.
I am so happy. Trust me, I am so happy. I wish you had, I don't know, cut her hand off, do something, damage her body, so that she wouldn't be able to do whatever she's doing in the school.
But it wasn't my intentions though, but...
It should have been your intentions. Why are you denying it?
I'm not denying
when
that.
When somebody asks you, say it with confidence. I'm the one who did it.
I can't say it with confidence because it wasn't something intentional.
It was intentional. Why wasn't it intentional? Then go to the hospital right now and hurt her more.
I should go and hurt her more? She can't come to the school.
Yes.
Because you have personal beef with Seer.
Oh yeah, she deserves it. Doesn't she deserve it? She deserves it. We go to the hospital, cut her hand off, cut her leg off. When she comes, she'll be damaged, deformed. She wouldn't be able to do anything in the school.
You are thinking about yourself. Are you thinking about my life too?
Nobody will see.
Are you thinking about the legal issues I'll face?
No one will catch you. Unless you are dumb. You can use some nice strategies to go there and do it.
For sure. Since when did you start becoming such wicked?
Oh, since I started hating Seer.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Which means one day if you start hating me, the same thing will go through.
Seer's own is different. It's pure hatred. Yours will be dislike. Hers is pure hatred. That's when you do when you hate somebody. Can't you do it? Right. You've already started, so end it.
I can take you to the hospital because I know where she is, so that you can continue what I didn't finish.
You've already started it. They said don't start what you can't end. As long as you started it, end it. Even if you can't cut the hand or the leg, you can use a pillow.
Precious, you are very wicked though.
Oh, I thought you already knew. You can just do it.
I know you are stubborn, but I didn't know you are such a wicked.
Oh, when it comes to Seer and some other people that I know in the school, there, I'm so wicked. I'm just a chill girl with an innocent face.
Wow.
Oh yes.
So I should go and kill Seer.
Oh yes.
For you.
Yes. You've started it. That's the point, oh. It's not like you were just there and I came to you. You've started the thing. End it.
And I'm trying to tell you it wasn't my intention. So for me going there to kill her.
Long go. What shall Adriana say? And the Adriana so who can say baby bad. Just kill her. How hard is that? It's so easy. Killing is easy. You've already beat her up. So you can just kill her. Eh?
She's going to kill Seer.
You want me to kill you, brother?
Can you kill me? Wait. If something goes wrong, can you kill me?
How many times have you eaten my food?
That time, there was nothing between us. But if something
You know
goes
we
wrong,
have
if
slow
tables
poison,
turn,
right? You know, maybe I've been adding things to your food. Maybe one time I'll just overdose it so that you can just die as quickly as possible. You that try me. You can just do it and you will not be in danger. Eh? Think about it.
You fully shocked me.
Oh yes.